America, Indiana, Hawkins. A growing patriotic community and a shining example of the American dream. Today, Hawkins is taking another step into the future with the brand new Starcourt Mall. Families, friends, and of course, teenagers can come together.
We can confirm the trajectories of the missiles are Los Angeles, San Francisco, Seattle, Denver, Houston, Dallas, Chicago, Detroit, Boston, New York City, Philadelphia, and Washington, D.C. If you are in a 10-mile area of those cities, evacuate now. Failure to do so will result into certain death.
It's just an escalator ride away, featuring America's favorite place to cool down. Scoops Ahoy Ice Cream Shop.
Ahoy!
Ahoy!
Ahoy! Starcourt Mall is one of the finest shopping facilities in America and beyond. So come on down.